Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got Broda in the building with one of the most unique watch faces I've seen from this guy yet. He continues to do what he does. He continues to bring the best of the best to the Gear Manager store so far as watch faces are concerned. And I gotta get this guy 4 thumbs up in the door for this super creative design. But let's go ahead and let's take a look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Broda Grip. It's definitely unique. It definitely stands out. And even in the AOD mode, you're going to get the nicest look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. Now for the Gears 2, it's pretty much going to look the same so far as design is concerned, and the Gears 2 is going to look slightly different, but both are going to look decent. Now once the watch face is on, again, I like how Broda got creative with this watch face. Now if we look at it over here, you get your step status info so far as your goal completed. Over here you get your battery meter. Up the top, you're going to get your date, and you're going to get the day of the week as well. You come down, you're going to get your, of course, step info and your heart rate info as well. And yes, you're going to be able to customize this watch face to the max. So let's go ahead. Let's check out what Broda gave us within this watch face. First of all, let's tap down at the bottom. You're going to get your heart rate information. Here, if I tap here, I could change the color of the hands. I got to double tap. And I can change the color theme of the hands. And I thought that was super nice. Same thing for the analog hand. You can change that as well to whatever you see fit. And then if I come over here, we get good. We get really good. So you can change the design of the watch face so far as the theme is concerned. Very nice. Come over here, same thing. You can change the background theme. This is when you're going out. This is nice. Energy saving watch face. This one isn't bad as well. I don't know. Broda just continues to bring the noise every single rip. Now, if I tap here, I can go ahead and set a favorite. You get 4 places in which you can do that. You tap here. You do the same thing. You tap up at the top where the moon phase is. The moon phase is here. The hands is kind of covering it. If you tap on the date, you got another spot in which you can customize one of your favorites. But let's tap right here. And you can change the numbers to this. This is beautiful. Broda always brings the most unique watch faces to the table. He's done a real excellent job with this one. But at the end of the day, people, remember, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And with that, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.